In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot battery draining issues with your AirPods Pro 2. If you've noticed that your AirPods aren't holding their charge like they used to, stick with me as we explore some potential solutions to get them back on track. Firstly, one of the features that might be contributing to the rapid drain is the Find My feature. This handy tool, while incredibly useful for tracking your AirPods if they get misplaced, can significantly drain the battery due to its constant location updates. If you find that you don't use this feature often or can do without it, consider turning it off. Disabling Find My for your AirPods could potentially extend your battery life without impacting your regular usage too much. Now, let's talk about another culprit that might be causing unexpected battery drains. The charging case itself. Sometimes the charging case can discharge hefty amounts of battery even when it's not in use. To counter this, try resetting your AirPods. Resetting the AirPods can often fix any minor glitches or connectivity issues that may contribute to excessive power consumption. To do this, press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the light flashes amber, then white. Once reset, reconnect them to your device as you normally would. Another important step is to ensure that your AirPods Pro 2 are running the latest firmware. Firmware updates often contain bug fixes and optimizations to improve performance and battery life. To check the firmware, connect your AirPods to your iPhone, then go to Settings, tap on Bluetooth, and find your AirPods in the list. Tap the eye icon to see more details, including the firmware version. Compare it with the latest version found on Apple's support site. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct way to force a firmware update, but ensuring your AirPods are connected and fully charged can help prioritize the update. If you've tried all these steps and your battery is still draining fast, it might be time to contact Apple support. Whether it's a hardware fault or a deeper software issue, the Apple team can offer more comprehensive diagnostics and solutions. They can guide you through further troubleshooting steps or inform you if your AirPods are due for a replacement under warranty. I hope these tips help you extend the life of your AirPods Pro 2 battery. Remember, maintaining your device's health is key to ensuring that these tiny earbuds continue to deliver exceptional sound and performance. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. See you in the next video.